that are taking place right now, making this opportunity as extraordinary it is. So let's talk about one of them, which is this. 90% of what you eat on a daily basis is fake food. Okay? It's not real. See, Cheetos, Fritos, and Doritos, they're not real. It's not real food. Even though it says made with real cheese on the label. Because see, cheese is not real food. And let me tell you, as sad, as sorry as I am to tell you this, Krispy Kreme is not real food. Cinnabon is not real food. Cocoa Krispies and Fruit Loops and Count Chocula, they're not real food. See, we have convinced ourselves that cake and cookies and chips are real food, but they're not. So what happens? We have evolved into the most overfed but malnourished society in human history. Here's the proof. Saw those hamburgers? Look at these cookies. Do you remember what? See the cookie on the left? That's what it used to look like. Do you see now? You can go into a bakery. They got cookies the size of a Frisbee. Okay? Now, when I started my illustrious career at Mr. C's Pancake and Steakhouse on Midvale Boulevard in Madison, Wisconsin, we had 3 sizes of soda drinks. An 8-ounce small, a 10-ounce medium, and a 12-ounce, which was the large. Now, have you gone through a drive-thru window in any fast food place anymore and see what the small is? What the medium is? Or maybe you saw this? Maybe you saw this. 64-ounce, 84-ounce, they got a bucket of soda. What's the result of all this? Because, of course, we have these foods, these fake foods, right? Because we've convinced ourselves that cake and cookies and chips are real food, but they're not real food. They're fake food. And see, fake food doesn't have vitamins, minerals, enzymes, fiber, antioxidants, protein, the stuff we need to be nourished. So what's the result of all this overfed but malnourished? We're getting supersized. We are getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and we're eating more and more and more. Now, why is this happening? This is happening because our body's saying, hey, I'm not getting the nutrients. You need to feed me. You have to give me that. So we're hungry. We eat more. But of our vitamins and our minerals and our enzymes and all of those kind of things, how much do you think you're getting from one of those 64-ounce buckets of soda? Do you notice? Now, see, if I remember when I grew up, my best friend was a guy named Ed. Now, Ed was a big boy.